How you doing, Morgan?
Oh, pretty good.
It was a snowy night we had last night, and all of our wood was so wet we couldn't build a fire at all. So some of my socks are still kind of wet. I hope they kind of warm up here shortly.
Yeah, they'll warm up.
As I said, it was very cold. As you see, winter wonderland. We're trekking through it. See you around the bend. Next day we went to Gatlinburg and bounced a box of food and stuff that we just weren't using. I dropped 8 pounds, I think. We dried everything out, got everything clean, and just kind of started from scratch a little bit because we had been cold and there was another night of it.
Probably stayed at one of Gatlinburg's finer establishments. The Grand Prix, don't stay there.
Don't
do it.
Don't. And then the next day we went from Newfound Gap, where we came out, all the way up Clingman's Dome, the highest point on the Appalachian Trail, and down to Derrick Knob Shelter, which was on map 17.8 miles. You count Clingman's and some other side trails that we did. We did a 20-mile day. It was not the worst, when I would say to as cold and miserable that way, but when it came to just snow and slush and mud, and then on the backside it ended up kind of drying out some. And towards the end it dried up a lot.
Trucked it that day for a long time. We got into the walking zone.
I think we walked for like 11 hours that day. I mean, which you know, on your normal pace that was not good, but we had a very, very big climb up Clingman's. I'll put the elevation up on the screen.
And when we got to Derrick's, it was tent time again, which is fine with me.
People were snoring.
Yeah.
And they were like, "Oh, there's 13 people.
There's no room.
There's no room in here." At Icewater.
We weren't having it at that point, so I was like, "All right, 10."
There was snoring going on. We didn't want that. but we've been in some shelters when it was critical, and there was a lot of people in there.
Derrick's is where the there were 2 deer and 3 turkey. Then we saw 2 more big toms on the way out of there, not too far away, on our way to Spence.
It's Cartog mapping the AT. Remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and maybe on my next adventure, I'll see you around the bend.